Yes, sir, traders. HUBS called HubSpot. They blew out their earnings. There are a few companies that are still making money with their AI development. That's exactly what this company has done. But let's take a look. We have an extreme $44 pop in the after hours with our number one HUBS. Let us not forget, Google was thinking about purchasing them. One of the things that we do like is the good news, but nonetheless, when these stocks gap, whether it's whatever the cause and effect, such as the earnings report, we're still going to hit resistance. And tomorrow, what we're going to be looking at doing on the good news is how to take that, go to the 530 puts. They were $73. If we could buy these at $42, $30 below the market, that's exactly what we are going to be looking at. Resistance, good news, is good news for however long it will last. So resistance is where they sell off. Stay tuned. Great earnings. Congratulations to HubSpot. HUBS. Sign up for that free 5-day trial. This is the gainer.